Thank you for buying this 15899 power strip from Fixture Displays. This is designed for server cabinets with the mounting holes on both ends and has a bag of hardware. The cables are pretty long. For detailed dimensions, there's a diagram. It's going to show up very shortly. They come with the on-off switch with a plastic cover and a surge protection fuse. These are the dimensions. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cscharliesam@fixturedisplays.com. It comes with standard USA 3-prong plug, and these are the hardware designed for mounting on server cabinets, their cage nuts, and what have you. The on-off switch is protected by a polycarbonate clear cover, and the fuse can be replaced. There's simple screw assembly. The output is up to 1800 watts. Thank you for shopping Fixture Displays.